Porter-Cable PCC770B 360-degree reciprocating saw features a 360-degree blade rotation. This allows for cutting at any angle, making it easier to reach tight spaces and make angled cuts. It also has a 180-degree front-end adjustment. This further enhances accessibility and enables cuts in difficult-to-reach areas. A keyless blade change allows for quick and easy blade replacement without the need for tools. The 7.5 amp motor provides ample power for demanding cutting tasks. The variable speed trigger adjusts cutting speed based on material thickness. Orbital action offers a smoother cut and reduces vibration. A soft grip handle ensures a comfortable and secure grip during prolonged use. An integrated light illuminates the work area for better visibility in dimly lit environments. The tool is versatile and is ideal for a wide range of cutting applications, including plumbing, electrical work, demolition, and woodworking. It is time-saving, as the adjustable blade angle allows for precise cuts in tight spaces and minimizes the need for repositioning. The ergonomic design includes a soft grip handle and variable speed trigger, which reduce fatigue and enhance comfort during extended use. It allows for precision cutting, as the orbital action and variable speed control ensure clean and precise cuts in various materials. For safety, the integrated light improves visibility and reduces the risk of accidents in dimly lit areas. It sells for approximately $200. Overall, the Porter-Cable PCC770B 360-degree reciprocating saw is a versatile and user-friendly tool that can save time and effort in various cutting tasks. Its adjustable blade angle and ergonomic design make it a valuable addition to any toolbox for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Let's delve into each of these features and benefits in more detail. Firstly, consider the 360-degree blade rotation. This innovative design fundamentally changes how one approaches cutting tasks, particularly in confined or awkward spaces. Traditional reciprocating saws required the user to maneuver the entire tool to achieve the desired cutting angle. The 360-degree rotating blade eliminates this need, allowing the user to maintain a comfortable and stable grip while simply rotating the blade to the optimal position. Imagine working in a tight engine compartment, needing to cut through a pipe at a specific angle. With a conventional saw, this could involve contorting your body, straining to see the cut line, and potentially making inaccurate cuts. With the Porter-Cable PCC770B, you can position the saw comfortably and then rotate the blade to the precise angle needed, resulting in a cleaner, more controlled cut. Secondly, the 180-degree front-end adjustment further enhances the tool's versatility. This adjustment allows you to pivot the entire front portion of the saw, providing even greater access to difficult-to-reach areas. This is especially useful when cutting overhead or in situations where there are obstructions that would otherwise prevent you from making a straight cut. The combination of the 360-degree blade rotation and the 180-degree front-end adjustment effectively makes the saw an extension of your hand, allowing you to reach and cut in places that would be impossible with a standard reciprocating saw. The keyless blade change system is another significant time saver. In the past, changing blades on a reciprocating saw often required tools such as wrenches or screwdrivers, adding time and frustration to the process. The keyless blade change system allows you to quickly and easily swap out blades with a simple twist or lever action. This is particularly beneficial when working on projects that require frequent blade changes, such as when cutting through different types of materials or when switching between rough cutting and fine cutting blades. The 7.5 amp motor provides the power needed to tackle a wide range of cutting tasks. While not the most powerful motor on the market, it strikes a good balance between power and maneuverability. It provides sufficient torque to cut through common materials such as wood, plastic, and metal without bogging down. The variable speed trigger allows you to control the cutting speed based on the material you are working with. Softer materials like wood require a higher cutting speed, while harder materials like metal require a slower speed to prevent overheating and blade damage. The variable speed trigger gives you the flexibility to adjust the cutting speed on the fly, ensuring optimal performance and extending the life of your blades. Orbital action is another feature that contributes to smoother and more efficient cutting. In a standard reciprocating saw, the blade moves back and forth in a straight line. Orbital action adds a slight up and down motion to the blade, which helps to clear chips and debris from the cutting path, reducing friction and allowing the blade to cut more aggressively. This results in faster, cleaner cuts, especially in thicker materials. The soft grip handle is an important ergonomic feature that enhances comfort and reduces fatigue during prolonged use. Reciprocating saws can generate significant vibration, which can be transmitted to the user's hand and arm. The soft grip handle helps to dampen this vibration, making the saw more comfortable to hold and reducing the risk of hand fatigue. The integrated light is a simple but effective feature that improves visibility in dimly lit environments. This is particularly useful when working in tight spaces or under low light conditions where it can be difficult to see the cut line. The integrated light illuminates the work area, making it easier to make accurate cuts and reducing the risk of accidents. The versatility of the Porter-Cable PCC770B makes it an ideal tool for a wide range of applications. It can be used for plumbing to cut pipes and fittings, electrical work to cut conduit and cables, demolition to tear down walls and structures, and woodworking to cut lumber and other materials. Its adjustable blade angle and compact design make it particularly well suited for working in tight spaces where it can be difficult to maneuver a larger saw. The time-saving benefits of the Porter-Cable PCC770B are also significant. The adjustable blade angle allows you to make precise cuts in tight spaces without having to reposition the entire tool. This can save a considerable amount of time on projects that involve a lot of intricate cutting. The keyless blade change system also saves time by allowing you to quickly and easily swap out blades without the need for tools. The ergonomic design of the Porter-Cable PCC770B makes it more comfortable to use for extended periods of time. The soft grip handle reduces vibration and hand fatigue, while the variable speed trigger allows you to adjust the cutting speed to suit the material you are working with. These features combine to make the Porter-Cable PCC770B a user-friendly tool that can help you get the job done faster and with less effort. The precision cutting capabilities of the Porter-Cable PCC770B are enhanced by its orbital action and variable speed control. The orbital action helps to clear chips and debris from the cutting path, resulting in cleaner, more accurate cuts. The variable speed control allows you to adjust the cutting speed to suit the material you are working with, ensuring optimal performance and reducing the risk of blade damage. The safety features of the Porter-Cable PCC770B include an integrated light that improves visibility in dimly lit environments. This can help to reduce the risk of accidents by making it easier to see the cut line and avoid obstacles. The price of approximately $200 makes the Porter-Cable PCC770B a relatively affordable option for a reciprocating saw with these features. While there are other reciprocating saws in the market that may offer more power or a wider range of features, the Porter-Cable PCC770B strikes a good balance between price and performance. In conclusion, the Porter-Cable PCC770B 360° reciprocating saw is a versatile, user-friendly, and time-saving tool that is well suited for a wide range of cutting tasks. Its adjustable blade angle, ergonomic design, and precision cutting capabilities make it a valuable addition to any toolbox for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The tool's unique features such as the 360° blade rotation and 180° front-end adjustment set it apart from traditional reciprocating saws and make it an ideal choice for working in tight spaces or on projects that require intricate cutting. The tool also offers some important considerations when purchasing: firstly, its power and capacity; secondly, the intended use; thirdly, the user experience; fourthly, the budget and value; and finally, the safety features. When considering its power and capacity, evaluate whether the 7.5 amp motor provides sufficient power for typical cutting needs. If needing to cut through thick, dense materials regularly, consider a more powerful model. Check the stroke length and strokes per minute, which affect cutting speed and efficiency. The intended use is critical because if using it primarily for light-duty tasks or occasional projects, the Porter-Cable PCC770B is likely sufficient. If doing heavy-duty demolition or professional work, consider a more robust and durable model. Assess the types of materials typically cut. Some reciprocating saws are better suited for specific materials like metal or wood. Consider the user experience by checking to see how comfortable the grip feels and how easy it is to handle, especially for extended use. Note the ease of blade changes. A keyless blade change system is much more convenient than needing tools. Variable speed settings provide better control for different materials and applications. Evaluate the budget and value, balancing the features and performance with the price. Consider whether the features justify the cost compared to other models. Check for any included accessories like blades or carrying cases, which can add value. Assess the safety features, ensuring it has essential safety features like a blade guard and a secure grip. Check for features that improve visibility like an integrated LED light. Consider user reviews and ratings to understand the experiences of other users with the tool, paying attention to common issues or praises. By carefully considering these points, one can make an informed decision about whether the Porter-Cable PCC770B 360° reciprocating saw is the right tool for their needs. Remember to always wear appropriate safety gear when operating any power tool, including eye protection, hearing protection, and gloves.